The morality of the Quran inoculates from every kind of extremism.
We're here in Antarctica.
Radicalism, holy life prescribed. God tells Muslims speak nicely, refrain from conflict and fighting, are friendly and moderate toward even the fiercest opponents, modest, patient, compassionate, and loving.
In the Quran, it reveals that all of the prophets are moderate, gentle, and affectionate towards others. One verse describing the virtue of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him,
It is a mercy from God you were gentle. If you had been rough or hard of heart, they would have scattered from around you.
Muslims are only responsible for announcing morality, and since they are prohibited from bullies or are required to be soft-spoken to cruel tyrant, they cannot be or radicals. Radicals and applies the exit of all virtue. In addition, must use exceptionally polite language in people who do not share their beliefs and ideas, and telling them of the moral values of they resort to force. Threats.
Responsibility others the Quran's morality. The rest up to the of those. God reveals the language should use to other people. Call to the of your Lord with wisdom, fair admonition. Argue with them in the kindest way. Your Lord knows best who is misguided in his way, and he knows best our God.
In part 2 of our document, A Call for Unity, we'll be looking at the common values and the intellectual struggle that members of these three faiths need to work with theistic philosophies. In addition, we shall also be discussing in this document the return of the Prophet, peace be upon him, in the end time, the impact that comes from these three great faiths. Of documentaries, we will see how union and brotherhood between civilizations can easily be established. The three faiths much more in common is believed. By faiths coalesce around these shared values, peace will be established very soon. Anarchy and conflict that